Yeah, okay, perfect. Welcome back to Olly's Amazing Crafts. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made this. This is a lamp, and this ostrich egg-like looking thing is made out of paper. You don't believe me? You will have to, because I'm going to show you how I made this. Let's start. We'll start by taking a container to which we'll add some glue. We'll add some corn flour, and then we'll add some water. Make sure you add the water gradually so that you don't make the solution too dilute. Our mixture is now ready, and I also have some pieces of paper here. We are going to put this mixture onto this paper and stick it on balloon. So here we go. So it has been 3 hours since I left my balloon to dry, and now my balloon looks like this. So let's burst it open. Here's the balloon, and that there is the lamp. It's dope. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe for more updates. Keep watching Olly's Amazing Crafts. Bye.